Welcome back to Moto Freak! So, if you have been watching the 2026 World Supersport Championship, you already know that ZX-Moto is not messing around. With Valentin Debise pushing their hardware to the absolute limit on the asphalt, they have proven they can fight the established giants on the track. But apparently, road racing just isn't enough. According to a breaking report from Speedweek, ZX-Moto is officially taking their war to the desert. They have just dropped a bombshell by signing rally prodigy Tobias Ebster to lead their factory assault on the 2027 Dakar Rally. Let's break down why this is a massive deal. Tobias Ebster isn't just another rider looking for a factory seat. He is a proven desert specialist who previously dominated the brutal Original by Motul class, meaning he knows how to ride fast while keeping a bike in one piece. By putting him on their new Rally Raid machine, ZX-Moto is sending a very clear message to KTM and Honda. They aren't just showing up to participate, they are showing up to win. Think about the strategy here. You have Valentin Debise fighting at the highest level of production-based road racing in WSSP, and now you have Ebster developing a machine to survive the absolute hell of the Saudi Arabian dunes. ZX-Moto is pouring massive resources into proving their engineering reliability across the two most punishing disciplines in motorcycle racing. Will a newly developed rally bike actually survive the 2027 Dakar and put Ebster on the podium? Or is this too much, too soon for the brand? Drop your predictions in the comments below. Stay fast, stay freaky. This is Moto Freak signing off. See you on the road!